In this video, I'm going to show you a quick setup guide on how to set up your new interactive whiteboard. So now you have this beautiful screen in your classrooms that we're going to use to project to our face-to-face instruction, and we can also use it for our remote learners. Okay, the first thing is powering on your device. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So you're going to locate the power cable, which will be the only cable hanging from here. Now, before you plug it in though, please make sure you're using a power strip. Do not plug it directly into the wall. Okay, this is for warranty reasons. The manufacturer does require for these devices to be plugged into a power strip or a surge protector to avoid any surges to the device that can potentially damage the device. So you just plug it in. As soon as you do that, you're going to hear a little click. And this light right here, which will be one of the few buttons you'll have, will be the power button, okay? And it'll turn on by itself. If it doesn't, just simply press the power button, and then it should start this process right here. The first time around, it'll take a little bit long to turn on. So just let it do its thing, and you should be good to go there. You're also getting what's called a pizza box that comes with all the accessories for this screen. So you'll have your some zip ties, some cables, your USB, HDMI, your remote, and the only one we're gonna need for this video right here for these purposes will be your pen. Okay, that'll be the only one that we're gonna use right out of the box. The rest of the stuff, you can put it back in the box and put it away for safekeeping. Now on your pen, it is magnetic, so there is a little section right here where you can put it. In my opinion, this is too much temptation for people and they'll start messing with it. So my recommendation will be out of sight, out of mind. Go ahead and put it behind over here. You can put it anywhere in the back. Again, it's magnetic. It'll snap right into any metal surface. The pen is very responsive. It does have a click option. So if you press it a little bit more, it'll actually do a regular click. Okay, so just so you know, kind of like a mouse. So right now, out of the box, you can use a lot of stuff, but we're not going to do that because these devices also have a computer in the back, which is what I'll show you right now. To get to that, you're going to click right here on the one that says OPS. Right now, since it's out of the box, pretty much, it's not active. So if I click on OPS, nothing's going to happen, but let's go ahead and turn it right back on, and I'll show you where that is at. Okay, so to get the computer inside your interactive display board going, again, the OPS feature. Okay, we're gonna go into the back of your computer, and this is the back part of your display board. On the back of your display board, you're gonna have these options right here. These are all your ports on the screen itself, and the top part right here, all this right here, this is where your computer is. This is an actual computer running Windows 10. Okay, so to turn it on, okay, you can move these antennas up here like this. And the power button is going to be right here where it says power. Okay. It'll be the second button right there. So go ahead and press it, and you're going to see the green LED light on the top turn green. Okay, so this will turn green. Okay, so just give it a little bit of time for that, and that will turn on your computer inside, and you will be able to use this for everything that you use normally in your laptop. So you can sign in to everything from here now, okay? And I'll show you how to turn it on the next section. Okay, so now that we have turned on our OPS computer in the back of the device, you're gonna see that now you're gonna see a display in here, okay? And then you're gonna see the OPS letters turn green. That means it's active and it's good to go. Another recommendation, this is a full touch display, so you can use your fingers if you want to, but I would recommend using the pen, just because over time, the screen will get a little bit dirty with the stuff that you have or might have on your fingers. So I would recommend using the pen every time you drive this to keep it clean. And please refer to the video from Central Office on how to maintain your screen cleaned up properly. Just a reminder, no chemicals. Do not spray anything on any chemicals of any sort. Okay, just water will do. So let's go ahead and go into our OPS to set up our board. So I'm going to click right here, and then I'm going to click in the middle of the screen. and it'll change into the OPS. So this is, again, a full computer running Windows. You're gonna have a lot of menus at the startup. For now, we'll just skip it and we'll go straight into it. So again, this is a regular computer now that you are using that also is integrated into everything in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Chrome. Again, just a reminder, Chrome is our preferred browser. And I'm gonna sign in. You're gonna get all these pop-ups as well. The next thing you need to set up is the Wi-Fi on the OPS because it was turned off. So you can go ahead and exit out of all these right here. You're gonna have another message right here for your guru. That's in case you need tech support. Okay, let's just go ahead and close everything out for now. And then we're gonna go, and when you pay attention to the menus over here, you're gonna have one that has a little circle around it. So go ahead and click on that one, and that is our Wi-Fi menu. Once you do that, you're gonna pick or select the one that says YISD SSID. That will be the one that you will need for this purpose. I'm gonna click on that one. Go ahead and connect. To activate the keyboard on this, okay, you are also right here, right next to the time, you're gonna see a little keyboard icon. So you press on that one, and your keyboard will pop up. So go ahead and put the password. If you need the password, let me know and I can send it to you in case you forgot. Okay, but at this point, they say, do you want this PC to be discoverable? We're gonna put no. Okay, we don't want it to be discoverable anywhere. If you're done with your keyboard, you can simply click on the X to close it up. So now you're fully connected into the network. You're gonna see the little circle change, the icon changes, and now it's the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, the icon right here next to where the time is. And now you'll see that my Chrome is actually going into a website now. Okay, it's not giving me any errors anymore. So to get out of this, just simply click right here on the bar, and that menu will pop down. So now in here, it's just pretty much whatever you see on your laptop. Again, you can drive everything from here. So I'm gonna sign into my Google account. I need my keyboard, so I'm gonna activate it right here. And I'm gonna type my .yisd.net address to sign in to my district account. Okay, you guys are familiar with this menu, so go ahead and sign in with your account, please. I need the keyboard again. So go ahead and put your credentials and then go ahead and sign in. Okay, it's gonna ask you if you want to do that. I recommend saying never so that nobody else can sign in to your account. So click never here. And then you're gonna have to sign in one more time to the Microsoft site. So you can access your email, you can access everything from this as well, and go to Google from here. So again, you're gonna do this again. I need my keyboard. Pull out my keyboard again. Go ahead and put your account. In this one, you have to put your entire email. If you just do your username, it won't work. Again, this is the Microsoft site now. You're gonna click next right there after you put your account. Oh, put the wrong one. And then you're gonna put your password for your account. Again, I need my keyboard again. And I'll put my password. Okay, go ahead and sign in. And it's gonna ask you again if you want to save this. I'll say never. I don't want people in here, but I do on this one. I do want to stay signed in, so that if I don't have to sign out, then it will keep me signed in, and it won't have to ask me these many times. So click on do not show this again, and click yes right here to stay signed in to the Microsoft site. Once we get to the initial page, you guys are familiar with this one right here. Then from here, I go into Google. That way it'll synchronize my account. Google is gonna ask me, because again, this is a brand new computer. It's gonna ask me some questions. Just say yes, continue, confirm. Continue, this is my account. And then now you'll see your name right here on the top, and then right here as well. Okay, my recommendation also is to sync your account into your Google. So if you click there, turn on your sync. If you want all your shortcuts to come up here, okay, you want all your settings that you've set up on your laptop, if you click on sync right here, you'll sync again into your account and everything will be right here. That's what I would recommend. For this video though, I'll just continue so that you know where to go. So again, I'll go to my apps, and in this case, I'm gonna log into my class. So I'm gonna open up Classroom from here. Okay, I'm gonna open my class and I'm gonna go into my Google Meets class. Again, the first time we're setting it up, it's gonna ask you sometimes prompts. Just say yes, allow. After you do it one time, it shouldn't ask you again unless we have to reset it for whatever reason. So on here, I'm gonna click allow. Right now, it's only gonna ask you for your microphone. These interactive whiteboards do not come with a camera. But if you want a camera option, I'll discuss that later in a different video. Okay, so in here, it's got my menu that you're familiar with. Of course, I put, I'll leave it muted for now, and then it doesn't have a camera, so you won't even show that. So I'm gonna join into my Meet. Okay, now I'm in. For the sound, okay, once you log in, you have sound right here. You have the speakers right here, but if you don't need them so that you don't create feedback, I have a couple of users in here in this Meet just to show you what you need to do. So the sound option is right here, and this is your sound level. So if you want to mute it, you just click on it and it'll go X. If you want it low, you just pretty much move the bar as you see fit. And this is how you control your sound so that you don't create that feedback if the speakers are too loud. But the speakers are very good for your face-to-face instruction, okay? So now that I have my users here, the last step to set up will be my standard definition. So I'm gonna click on the three dots right here on Google Meets. I'm gonna go to settings, I'm gonna go to video, and I'm gonna make sure everything is set to 360. Exit out of here. And the last one, if you wanna see everything in here, or if you're using some extensions, again, when you sync, it should bring all of that in there. But sometimes you may have to reinstall those extensions so that you can see all your preferences here. But from here, also don't forget to change your layout. The default is set to 9 people. I want to have the my full class eventually if I had everybody in here. So that make sure you switch it to 9. If you can only see 9 screens, that means you got to check your layout settings. After this, it's pretty much set up to go. But if you also, an optional thing you can do, if you want to run everything from your interactive display board, you can. The only thing you would need is to add your webcam that you got with us here at Alicia Chicon. So to do that, you're gonna have to exit out of the Meet. But in the meantime, you can set it up right there and then plug it into the USB port right under the green light on the computer side, the one I showed you earlier. Once you do that, you're gonna plug it in. You're gonna see a message down here that says getting your camera ready. Just give it about a couple of minutes and it should install the camera into the board for you. Once that is done, again, you're gonna have to leave because Meets didn't know you had a camera to begin with. So I'm gonna leave this Meet. And I'm gonna open it again. So I go into my classroom, go to my link, and Meets is gonna ask me, oh, I see a camera now. Do you wanna add it or allow it? Yeah, I'm gonna say yes, allow the camera as well. So now you're gonna see the camera itself, and then you're gonna see everything in here that I have. So I'm gonna click join now. So the kids will now be able to see you straight in from your whiteboard. If you wanna have that as an option, you can do it as well. So now you're using pretty much everything that you normally use on your laptop, you can use it here. And that's our quick setup guide. Just a couple of reminders. If you need to type anything, the keyboard is right here, keyboard icon. Keyboard pops up. When you're done, exit out. And sound. the sound bar is right here. It's a little speaker icon, and it gives you your sound options. You scroll down, or if you want to mute it, you can mute it right there, so to avoid any feedback. When you're done with everything, to turn it off, you can just simply press the button and it will put it to sleep. I do recommend you doing that so that the device is not restarting that many times. Just put it to sleep and we'll be good to go there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is a quick setup guide to get everybody going. Thank you and have a great day. Enjoy your whiteboard.